നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ വിനോദ് കുമാർ വേട്രാടി. ഇന്നലത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നത് the last video was all about writing task 2 of Ielts examination of the writing segment. Writing segmental writing task 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ essay എഴുതാനാണ്. An essay need to be written within 40 minutes and it should contain a minimum of 250 words, not less than 250. To some extent not more than 280 or 290 could be an average length of words, rather number of words which you can use in an essay in writing task 2 of Ielts examination. The first and foremost thing that you need to know before attempting to write an essay is to analyze the question. Question എന്താണ് യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ അർത്ഥമാക്കുന്നത് എന്ന് അറിയാതെയുള്ള എടുത്തുചാട്ടം പലപ്പോഴും ഡിസാസ്ട്രസ് റിസൾട്ടിലേക്കായിരിക്കും വഴിവെക്കുന്നത്. So you need to read the question many more times, for example maybe 5 to 6 times, to understand what exactly does it mean. Second thing is to that you need to collect the points, you need to select the points, and finally you need to logically organize and draft an essay. Use 15 minutes out of 40 minutes for this particular task. Students rather think that they are able to write it once they get the question and they start writing the essays, would rather land up in troubles. It's quite common that these students are not able to score well. I mean above 6 or 6.5 becomes a very big hurdle for those people. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ first thing in writing task 2 is to read the question many a time. Second thing is to draft an essay. Use 10 to 15 minutes for that one. Find out the valuable points which you think is more easier for you to supply with additional sentences and supporting examples, and also the other sentences which you can rather use for elaborating and expanding the essays. അപ്പോൾ ഒരുപാട് ചിന്തിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. വായിക്കുക, then you need to draft an essay, and this draft essay must be modified to the original one, and use around 15 minutes for this particular purpose, for reading and also drafting a rough essay, an essay which you think could be a skeletal form of the original essay. So the first point is to read it many times and understand the real meaning. Sometimes there may be a hidden meaning for these questions, so understand it very well. And the next thing is that you need to draft it. What does it actually mean by drafting? Use your pencils, which are only one of the as far as the Ielts examination is concerned, you are permitted to use pencils. അപ്പോൾ പെൻസിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് നിങ്ങളൊരു 10-15 മിനിറ്റ് നേരം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടാവുന്ന പോയിന്റുകൾ കളക്ട് ചെയ്ത് അതിനെ ഒന്ന് ലോജിക്കലി ഒന്ന് ഓർഗനൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. The people do really fail in doing so, and they finally land up in troubles, as I said you. So 15 minutes out of 40 minutes have to be definitely used for drafting an essay. And the third point is that very important, in the drafting itself or in the original essay, whatever it may be, introduction is the heart of the essay. If it is containing some more irrelevant points, definitely it creates a problem for you. So make sure that introduction is the heart of the essay. It really makes the impression in the examiners. Definitely impression doesn't have a bigger role in Ielts examinations. Whatever you write is the prime thing, or is the one which is given priority and all. But understand that if introduction fails, or if you fail in writing good introduction which does not contain a position or a stand or a view or your point, definitely it fails. It never gives you good score. I mean either 6 or 6.4 or above that one. It doesn't give you a standard score in Ielts examination at all. So today through this video I would love to tell you one more thing. That is one important thing. That is, first point in writing an essay is to read the question many a time and understand what does it mean. Second thing is to draft an essay, and third thing, whatever you do, an introduction must be there with valuable and significant points. If you fail in having these things in your mind before you attempting to write an essay and writing test 2 of the Ielts examination, definitely it becomes disastrous and the result may not be always positive. So bear in mind, introduction is the heart of the essay. Thank you very much. Good morning.